TikTok, it's a weird new social media platform and I'm here to teach you how to use it. Even if I am an old 35-year-old. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert who's twisting his social media skills into other weird social media platforms, including the talk of the tick. Have I got rid of all of the teenagers now? They've just cringed so hard that they've clicked off the camera. It's just me and you now. You ready to learn what TikTok is? I joined TikTok at the end of October in 2019, so just so you're in context right now. And it's a weird social media platform that's very fast-paced, young demographic, and has a load of video-savvy kids looking to create content. But for some of us, it might be a little bit weird. So here's a primer. 1, TikTok is a video sharing platform. You can create clips in 2 styles, 15 seconds and 60 seconds, and it's working through in a very similar fashion to like Instagram stories and just the old Vine process. You can add stickers and filters like Instagram stories, you drag them across and you just add them to the video. It films in portrait mode, the thing that for years I tried to avoid, and your entire profile is effectively an Instagram stories feed. So you upload, you say what you're doing within those 15 to 60 seconds, and then it posts it to your profile wall, which is then fired out to everybody on that platform, subject to hashtags, subject to who they follow, or if you're lucky, you're hooked by the trending algorithm. The audience tends to slew quite young, just like Instagram when it first started and it was all about selfies, photos, and food. TikTok is currently in the early stages where all of the younger teens have adopted it because they can laugh, they can joke, they can make quick videos using their smartphones, they can dub along, so therefore the old style of just lip syncing, and it's the MySpace of this generation, I honestly believe. Now this sounds familiar, doesn't it? That's because this is Musical.ly. Do you remember that thing where people were flossing and dancing and you didn't understand what it was and it was kind of semi-advertised against like Britain's Got Talent? That's now TikTok. And why should you be on the platform? Well, it is aging up. Just like Instagram did initially, it was once again very young, very selfie, very egotistical, very vain. TikTok is becoming a quick, fast method, like Snapchat became, of delivering fun or knowledge or something that you can chuckle and engage in. Once you upload your content, it is fully integrated with all social media platforms. You can auto-share it as a story to your Instagram feed, and that's what I've been doing. I've been creating little clips on TikTok. It's quicker, it's funner, it's weird. I share it to the Instagram stories. It's in 2 places all of a sudden. I share it to Snapchat. It's now 3 stories in all one place, and it gives you a little bit of leeway to kind of be cheeky and nerdy and a little childish. So why should you use it and how can it help your YouTube channel or your brand? Well, it's a growing platform. Anywhere that is expanding at the reach that TikTok is doing right now is a good place to experiment. Get on there, get your name on there, deliver content so you can teach and learn yourself and understand what's growing there. It's a good way to practice your 15 to 60 second hooks on your videos because you've got to hook the attention of a teenager who's notoriously known for being flaky and flicky. I'm sorry if you're young, but that's the kind of perception that the media has of you. But you can get in on the ground floor-ish now of a growing, expanding bubble. If I now could have been on YouTube 5 years before I was creating the same content I am now, it would have been fantastic. If I was on it 7 years ago, right, creating fantastic, valuable content, then I would be even bigger. And that's the same with TikTok. Get in now. It might never explode, but at least you're learning, and you're learning that platform, and you're getting in front of the eyes of that younger demographic that then might flick over to YouTube and go, he's on TikTok, she's on TikTok, subscribe. The organic reach on TikTok is phenomenal. I uploaded 3 videos, left it. I hit the trending page within the first 12 hours. I have 170 odd followers within 2 weeks, and I've got thousands of views already, and I didn't advertise that. I just went on there to muck about, I used a few hashtags and bang! They are now aware of me. I now have, as I said, 170 odd followers that check my content on a regular basis, gets to see my cat every other day, and they're more than happy. And when they level up and when they're ready to make YouTube content or longer form video content, they know that I am that YouTube certified expert, that weird old dude that makes me laugh on TikTok. I'll go and check out his channel. Anything that gives you that organic reach, anything that pushes you out there is a very good way to seed things in people's minds. It's a very good way of getting new, fresh eyeballs onto you. It might disappear quickly, but because you're there and you can continue to create content very quickly just using your mobile phone, why not? Get it out, take a snap, say something funny, Tok the Tik. After all, we're all a little bit childish inside, we all love a little bit of fun, so it's your time to go out there and start creating Toks of Tik. There's a playlist here of all TikTok-y stuff that might help you.